Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to remove the FRP lock from a generic MTK device using boot remote. As you can see, this device is FRP locked. There's no skip button on the setup screen, and it's asking for a password. To begin, turn off the device. Connect it to your computer, then press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons. Wait until Chimera detects the phone. Once detected, Chimera will prompt you to select the device's brand. You can choose from the drop-down menu or type it manually. Click Select to confirm. If prompted to put the phone manually to boot remote, click on OK. Next, go to the Repair tab and select Remove FRP. Click Start Procedure. The software will ask for a series of confirmations. If you're sure you want to continue, click OK. Once the procedure is complete, the device will reboot. When it reaches the activation screen, you'll see that the Google account verification can now be skipped. As we can see, the FRP removal was successful. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.